Yo guys, welcome to Crepflips. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video for the Air Jordan 6 Electric Green. I bought these from Nike Sneakers for £165 in a UK size 10. If you are new to the channel and do enjoy this video, please subscribe. We make sneaker based content. Let's get into the video. So I wasn't originally planning to pick these up, but I did see them sit for about 40 minutes on the sneakers app, and I thought I may as well try pick them up, and if I like them I'll keep them, if not I'll just send them back or try resell them. I don't know how to feel about them. I do like the colour of the vibrant green, but overall I'm not a massive fan of Jordan 7s. I do think these are a good shoe, so if you do like Jordan 7s I would suggest picking these up. But I don't think I'm going to be keeping them for much longer. These do go for fairly cheap, so if you do want to pick up a pair, it will be very easy to do so, as they do not have much resale value on them. So I would suggest if you are going to pick these up for personal use. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you like these? Did you pick up a pair? And if so, have you kept them or have you tried reselling them? Let us know down in the comments. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like. Subscribe if you're new, and click the link in the description to go follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching.